YouTube, it's more than just videos, it's a game. Ever think of YouTube as a massive online game? Well, it is, and it's one of the most competitive games out there. Just like in any game, there are players, strategies, and goals. But instead of virtual worlds and fantasy quests, we have videos, subscribers, and engagement metrics. It is. Creators are the players. Each video uploaded is like a move in a game, a step towards achieving a higher score. The more engaging and creative your content, the better your chances of winning. We're all competing for views, subscribers, and recognition. Just like gamers aim for high scores and top rankings, YouTubers strive for viral videos and a growing subscriber base. The analytics dashboard is our scoreboard, showing us how well we're doing and where we need to improve. Like any good game, YouTube has its own set of rules and strategies for success. From understanding the algorithm to mastering SEO, every creator needs a game plan. Planning content, researching trends, and engaging with the audience are all part of the strategy. The prize? A loyal audience and maybe even some revenue. Think of popular MMOs like World of Warcraft or Fortnite. In these games, players invest time and effort to build their characters and achieve milestones. Similarly, YouTubers invest in their channels, aiming for milestones like the Silver, Gold, or even Diamond Play Button awards. Think of popular MMOs like World of Warcraft or Fortnite. Thousands of players battle it out, striving for victory. YouTube is similar. Every day, millions of creators upload content, hoping to capture the attention of viewers. It's a constant battle for visibility and engagement. We upload videos, hoping they climb the ranks and reach the top. Just like gamers check their rankings, YouTubers monitor their video performance, looking for spikes in views and engagement. But instead of swords and spells, we wield creativity, storytelling, and a whole lot of hustle. The competition is fierce. With so many creators vying for attention, standing out requires more than just good content. It requires a unique voice and a strong connection with the audience. The competition is fierce. Millions of videos are uploaded every day. The sheer volume of content can be overwhelming, making it easy for even great videos to get lost in the shuffle. It's easy to get lost in the noise. Many creators face the frustration of low view counts despite putting in hours of effort. It's a common challenge, much like a gamer struggling to level up in a tough game. So how do you stand out? How do you make sure your content gets noticed? It starts with understanding your audience and delivering what they want to see. Consistency, quality, and engagement are key. How do you level up your channel and become a YouTube champion? By constantly analyzing your performance, learning from your mistakes, and adapting your strategy. Just like a gamer levels up their character, a YouTuber must continuously improve their content and approach. That's what we're here to explore. In this series, we'll dive deep into the strategies and tactics that can help you succeed on YouTube. From content creation to audience engagement, we'll cover it all. Get ready to up your game. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, there's always something new to learn. So let's embark on this journey together and take your YouTube channel to the next level. Imagine a scorecard, like in a video game. It tracks your progress and shows you how well you're doing. YouTube has one too, though it's invisible to the naked eye. This scorecard determines how visible your videos are. What's on this scorecard? Several key elements: topic, title, thumbnail, hook, script, production quality, optimization, and community engagement. Each element contributes to your overall score. A higher score means more views and subscribers. Think of it like leveling up your character in a game. You gain experience points by improving these elements. A strong title grabs attention like a powerful weapon. An engaging script keeps viewers hooked like a captivating quest line. Mastering each element is crucial for success. It's not enough to be good at just one thing. You need a well-rounded approach, constantly striving to improve your score in every area. This is how you climb the YouTube ranks and achieve victory. What's your passion? What is that one thing that makes your heart race and your eyes light up with excitement? What gets you fired up? Is it the thrill of adventure, the joy of creating something new, or the satisfaction of solving a complex problem? This is the foundation of your YouTube channel. It's your niche. It's the unique flavor that only you can bring to the table. It's what makes you stand out from the crowd. In a sea of content creators, your passion is your beacon. Maybe you're a whiz at cooking up delicious vegan meals. You know how to turn simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces that even non-vegans can't resist. Or perhaps you're a tech guru who loves reviewing the latest gadgets. You can break down complex technology into easy-to-understand reviews that help people make informed decisions. Whatever it is, own it. Embrace your passion wholeheartedly and let it shine through in every video you create. Your passion will shine through in your videos, attracting an audience that shares your interests. People are drawn to authenticity and enthusiasm. Don't try to be everything to everyone. It's tempting to cover a wide range of topics to attract a larger audience, but this can dilute your content and confuse your viewers. Focus on what you do best. Hone your skills and knowledge in your chosen niche. This will not only make your content more valuable, but also establish you as an authority in that area. This allows you to connect with a dedicated audience genuinely interested in your content. These are the people who will engage with your videos, leave comments, and share your content with others. Remember, it's better to have a smaller engaged audience than a large, indifferent one. Quality over quantity is key in building a loyal community. Finding your niche is like choosing your character class in an MMO. Each class has its own unique abilities and playstyle. Are you a warrior, a mage, or a rogue? Each class offers a different experience and appeals to different types of players. Each class has its strengths and weaknesses, and each appeals to a different type of player. Similarly, your niche will attract a specific audience that resonates with your content. Choose wisely, and you'll be well on your way to YouTube glory. Your unique flavor is what will set you apart and pave the path to your success. Section 4. Crafting clickable titles and thumbnails. Your first impression matters. In the vast ocean of YouTube, where countless videos are uploaded every minute, standing out can be a daunting task. But fear not, because your first impression is your secret weapon. This is where the magic of clickable titles and eye-catching thumbnails comes into play. You've got incredible content, but how do you get people to click on it? It's a question that haunts many creators. You might have spent hours, days, or even weeks perfecting your video, but if no one clicks on it, all that effort goes unnoticed. This is why the art of crafting compelling titles and thumbnails is so crucial. Enter the dynamic duo titles and thumbnails. These two elements are your video's first impression, the gatekeepers that determine whether a potential viewer will give your content a chance. Think of them as the cover of a book or the poster of a movie. They need to be enticing enough to make someone stop scrolling and click. They're your first impression, your chance to grab attention in a sea of videos. With so much content vying for viewers' attention, your title and thumbnail must stand out. They need to be visually appealing and convey the essence of your video in a split second. Think of your title as a headline. Just like a newspaper headline, it needs to be catchy, intriguing, and relevant to your content. It should give viewers a glimpse of what to expect while sparking their curiosity. It needs to be catchy, intriguing, and relevant to your content. But how do you achieve that? Start by understanding your audience. What are they interested in? What problems are they looking to solve? Tailor your titles to address these questions. Use keywords that people are searching for, but don't be afraid to get creative. Keywords help your video appear in search results, but creativity makes it stand out. Combine the two for maximum impact. For example, instead of a generic title like How to Cook Pasta, try something more engaging like 5 pasta recipes that will make you a kitchen hero. A little wordplay can go a long way. Puns, alliterations, and rhymes can make your title more memorable. However, ensure that it still clearly conveys the video's content. Misleading titles might get clicks, but they won't retain viewers. Your thumbnail is equally important. It's the visual representation of your video and often the first thing viewers notice. A well-designed thumbnail can make the difference between a scroll past and a click. It's the visual representation of your video. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and compelling imagery that accurately reflects your content. Your thumbnail should be a visual summary of your video, giving viewers a sneak peek of what's inside. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and compelling imagery that accurately reflects your content. Avoid clutter and keep it simple. A clean, focused thumbnail is more likely to catch the eye than one that's overcrowded with text and images. A/B test different thumbnails to see what resonates best with your audience. Experiment with different designs, colors, and images to find out what works. Use YouTube's analytics to track performance and make data-driven decisions. Remember, you only have a split second to make an impact. In that brief moment, your title and thumbnail need to work together to grab attention and entice viewers to click. It's a delicate balance, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Your title and thumbnail need to work together seamlessly, enticing viewers to click and discover the amazing content that awaits them. When done right, they can significantly boost your video's visibility and engagement, helping you grow your channel and reach a wider audience. Section 5. Hook, line and sinker. Grabbing attention from the get-go, you've got them to click. Now you need to keep them watching. The first few seconds of your video are crucial. This is your hook, your chance to reel viewers in and make them want more. Start strong, jump right into the action, or introduce the main point of your video. Don't waste time with lengthy introductions or unnecessary fluff. Remember, attention spans are short, especially online. Think of your hook as the opening scene of a movie. It needs to be captivating, setting the stage for an epic viewing experience. Use humor, intrigue, or a compelling question to pique their interest and keep them glued to their screens. A strong hook is like a magic spell, enchanting your viewers and drawing them deeper into your world. Master this skill, and you'll be well on your way to YouTube stardom.